each time I go to the branch, each time I interact with many of the banks which are in and around the world, I get less satisfied. Why is that? Because in the customization, in all the automation that they got, only thing that is missing is the human touch. Somehow, when I work with a bank person, I feel like several times they are only interested in one thing. What else can they get from me? With that kind of a scenario that pervades majority of the banks, which focus on efficiency without the human touch, where they automate so that they can cut the costs, but in the process of cutting the cost, the customer satisfaction is the one that suffers. I'm really pleased to hear and be part of starting the Pearl services in the great Pearl city of India. So this gives me a great pleasure. There are three things that touch my heart in this. One is the commitment to do customer service, especially when State Bank of India is a public unit. Many people, even in India, expect that your competitors who are a private sector banks will be providing superior customer service to State Bank. But for past 4 or 5 years, you have proven everybody wrong, and with all your efforts and with all your services, you are bringing the pride back, not only to your bank, but also being part of the kind of organization that you are bringing pride to the country itself. I think it is remarkable that a 200-year organization like yours is continuing to innovate, whether it was the unhappy service, which you have again started in Hyderabad, and now every other bank, whether it is Andhra Bank or whether it is private banks, everybody else want to copy what you are doing. I'm really glad to see that the innovations, because most of the innovations in United States, especially in the finance sector you heard about, was the Enron kind of innovation, which actually was a disrepute. But I'm proud to see that State Bank of India, a public sector Indian bank, is coming up with innovations in customer service, innovations in support, and doing and going above and beyond the call of duty to provide the kind of services without any additional cost to the customer, so that you can touch people from wherever they are to anywhere in Andhra Pradesh. I'm really excited about what you are offering. I'm sure large number of NRIs like me would be very interested in utilizing and using your services in such a way that it could be beneficial for them and it could be beneficial to their people who are back here in India. And you being the via media, you being the provider of services, I think it gives me great comfort to know that it will be done well and it will be done on time and it will be done in a way that people will be pleased on all sides. I really appreciate you offering these services, and I wish you and the bank the best of it.